Hi, this is Mitch Panter from the law firm of Panter, Panter, and Sampedro. I want to talk to you today a little bit about the timeline for personal injury lawsuit or claim. First, let's discuss the difference between a claim and a lawsuit. A claim is when you come and see the lawyer and the lawyer presents a claim to the insurance company or the responsible party. A lawsuit is exactly that. It's a lawsuit. It means that the lawyer files for you a claim or complaint in the court. At that point in time, discovery applies, which means there are certain rules and regulations regarding requesting records, taking depositions, and other legal matters that are separate and apart from a claim. A claim can usually be handled in a relatively short period of time. When you first see the lawyer will obtain information from you with regards to the accident itself and the liability component. In other words, who did what wrong and what can we do to help you. The next part of the case is that of damages, and damages sort of run their own course. Depending upon the nature and extent of your injuries, you'll receive medical care and treatment. Lawyers generally try not to resolve cases until the clients or you, the person that was injured, have completed your treatment. There's a term called maximum medical improvement, which means you've recovered as well as you're going to recover, and at that point in time the lawyer is able to gather all of the medical records, the reports, the bills, and make a demand. The demand is then made on your behalf depending upon the amount of coverage available and the nature and extent of the injuries and the expenses incurred, and at that point in time the lawyer can speak with the responsible parties, whether it be an insurance company or a defendant, to try to resolve the case. If the case is resolved, shortly thereafter a settlement release is sent, the check is sent, the funds are used to pay, a settlement statement is prepared, and the lawyer's responsibility, like we do at Panter, Panter, and Sampedro, is to make sure all the medical bills are paid. Once all the bills are reduced and adjusted, we prepare what's called a closing statement, and at that point in time we're able to prepare the statement for you to sign, to review, to make sure all the numbers match up, and we're able to receive the settlement check, deposit it into what's called the trust account, and disperse the funds to you, the client, so you're able to get your money. All in all, a general case can take 2, 3, 4 months, somewhere in that time frame. But again, it matters the injuries that you sustain and how the medical bills are paid. All of those things are taken into consideration in resolving the case. At Panter, Panter, and Sampedro, we do our best to try to resolve the case as quickly as possible, but making sure that all times that you get the maximum result and the maximum recovery available. If you have any further questions about your case or the timeline on your case, please feel free to call me, Mitch Panter, at 305-662-6178, or send me an email at mpanter@panterlaw.com.